Did you really find golden nuggets?
Yes.
That's so cool.
Real one. Dad.
So up until this point, we've been burning rubber through East Coast, north, making our way to Midwest. And we finally made it to South Dakota, which was our first like major destination. It's like a benchmark.
We had our eyes set on the Badlands. And then
Join us at Badlands National Park.
You better join us.
National Park, Badlands National Park. We're like 1 minute away, and the view is just spectacular. I can't believe it. So we spent here 2 nights. We only planned for one, but one was definitely not enough. So we stayed for the second night. There's no hookups, but you really don't need any hookups because it's
anything can happen. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Anything can happen now. Anything can happen. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh, oh. Anything can happen now. Anything can happen. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh. I feel alive inside. I feel alive. I feel alive. Feel alive. Feel alive. For the very first time. I feel alive. Feel alive. Feel alive. For the very first time.
do it.
So last night we all go to bed. Everything went really well. It was a nice night. Normal, right?
Mhm.
Yeah. I wake up at 5 in the morning because that's when the sunrise is at 5:08. I get out, put some sweatpants on, get the camera, and I head out to the front. I looked over and I saw that one of our neighbors was gone.
Mm-hmm.
And I thought that was interesting because he was there last night and then he was gone this morning.
Yeah.
And I looked in the back of I took a glance in the back of the truck, and we had like a little bag of trash back there.
Mm-hmm.
And it looked like it was like kind of like ripped up a little bit. And I was like, all right, well, that was probably just an animal. Probably should have left that there. I go out, I'm taking pictures, and someone comes by and they're walking the dog, and they said something about the wind. And it was a little windy out. And I said, yeah, a little windy, and it's kind of cool, you can see a storm in the distance. And that was the end of it. I went back inside and made some coffee and waited for everyone to wake up. You wake up,
Mm-hmm.
and you said to me, oh my God, we survived.
Yes.
I laughed and I said, well, yeah, of course we did. It was just,
We survived.
we survived. Whoop-de-doo! I don't know what you're talking about. So apparently there was a huge storm last night that I slept through, but Natalia was going through it. I had no idea.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, what you said, 50-mile winds.
Yep. Gusts.
Gusts.
Like for an hour and a half, like non-stop gusty winds just shaking this trailer. And
Hail?
Yeah, there was hail. Like all of a sudden there's like boom, 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 boom. It's like all over the trailer.
Yeah.
So the storm started around 1:30. It woke me up because it was such strong wind out of nowhere. Super windy. Our trailer was like shaking, and there were times where I would grab Jack because I thought we were going down.
Mm-hmm.
It was so scary. It was crazy.
I had no idea.
And then the hail started. And I've heard stories from other RVers that would say like, just wait till you sleep in your camper with high winds.
Yeah.
And I was always like intimidated by that, but I experienced it last night and I was like, oh my gosh.
Mm-hmm.
I know what they mean now.
I feel alive. I feel alive, feel alive, feel alive for the very first time. I feel alive, feel alive, feel alive for the very first time.
Did you make
Anything can
that?
happen now.
Yeah, I made it.
Anything
Let's see
can
it sail.
happen.